How to merge shapes in Photoshop. I'm going to use Ellipse tool for example. It could be any of the other tools. So Ellipse tool, make certain it's shape up here in the top left. Click and release. Click, drag and release. Click, drag and release. So I've got now 3 shapes. With that selected, hold down the shift and select the ellipse 1 down the bottom. So all selected. Then go to layer and down to merge shapes. That's Command or Control E. Now they're all merged, but at the moment they're still live. You can still manipulate them. So just go here to the Path Selection tool. And now with the Path Selection tool, you can click and drag. Click this one, drag that. You can reposition them. Click that one, drag, position it there, and they're still, you can see over there, all a single layer, shape layer. If you're happy with it, once you're finished with it, you can blend them all together using this merge shape component. As soon as you do that, you won't be able to move them around. So merge shape component, so they're now all a single shape. You can't change them. What you can also do is if you want to, you can cut away as well. If you want to put some holes in it, just go over here and select the ellipse tool again. Hold down the Alt or Option key, that's on the keyboard. And as soon as you do that, you'll notice the cursor changes. So you've got a minus there. And you can just drag and release, drag and release, drag and release, and you'll create circles. So lots and lots of circles there. And you'll notice again, if you go over to the ellipse there, you can see ellipse 3, lots and lots of circles, but it's still a single layer. And you can do it 1,500 times. If at any point you want to turn them all into a custom shape, go to Edit and Define Custom Shape. You can store it away for future use. So Edit and Define Custom Shape, and you can see the custom shape there. Click OK, and now you can access it via your Shapes panel, which you can find in the Window menu and Shapes, and just use them at any time. You might be wondering, how do I get circles? Well, what you need to do is just go up here with the ellipse tool selected. Just go here, click there and circle, draw diameter or radius so it becomes a circle. If you've got unconstrained, it will just be an ellipse. You can do exactly the same with rectangles. So rectangle, go there, again, select there, you'll notice you've got square. Say you want to move some of these shapes, you've got all these holes in it, you think, oh, wrong position. Well, you can select any of them using the Path Selection tool. If, however, you've gone up here and you've used the merge shape components, then you won't be able to do that. So you need to move around before you apply that. So select it using the Path Selection tool and reposition it. You can also resize it, but hold down the Shift key if you want to resize it and keep it as a circle. Because if you don't, you can do that, which isn't perhaps what you want. So hold down the Shift and then resize to keep it as a circle. Select another one and again resize. If you're happy, you've done everything you want, all the changes, just go up here and again select that and merge shape components. So it all becomes a single shape layer and you can't modify it now. And again, exactly the same, Edit and Define Custom Shape. Click OK.